Hi everyone. Today for lunch I'll be making deviled chicken. What all goes into the deviled chicken? 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1/4 cup Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust to taste, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, fresh parsley chopped for garnish. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take a medium bowl, dump in your 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and this is going to be the deviled part of the chicken, the 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, the 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper to taste. And whisk that together until thoroughly mixed. All right, set that aside. Now this calls for 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I have 5. If I can fit the 5 in here, I will just fix all 5. All right, so I'm only going to do the 4. Got to have the room to cook in between them. All right, so we have our 4 chicken breasts in the baking dish. Then drizzle the chicken breasts with the olive oil. So then take your sauce, and you can spoon it or you can brush it on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a spoonful on each chicken to begin with, and then I will brush it all over the place. So I have a little basting brush here that I am just going to brush all over the chicken. I'm getting the sides and the tops. I am not getting the bottoms. It looks like it's thoroughly coated, at least the tops and the sides. Take your deviled chicken, put it in a preheated 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until thoroughly done, internal temperature at 165. So after 28 minutes, it was bubbly and looking slightly caramelized, so we'll check to see if it is done at 165. And these are big breasts, so they've got a ways to go yet. We'll stick them back into the oven and I will be back when they're done. They are done. We'll let them sit and rest for a few minutes and then we'll dish up. So here is the deviled chicken. Rounding out the meal is bourbon brown sugar baked beans and a Hawaiian sweet roll. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Chicken?
Chicken. It's gonna be hot.
Got a little kick to it.
It is, are you ready for this? It is deviled chicken. I was waiting for you to say, is that a trick egg? And I was going to say, well, sort of.
This is an aged trick egg.
Good way to look at it.
It's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.